Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zahara Saputriyani with student ID number 230705028. I'm from University of Sumatra Utara, and here I want to make a video about analysis Japanese sounds to interpret to get pitch and intensity. I want to complete my assignment from my lecturer Rahmat Rangkuti as SMA PhD. I will show you how to use fret, and I choose Japanese language and Japanese sounds or Japanese sounds. My first informant is Angel Liu. She is from University of Sumatra Utara. She is in Japan literature. So the first word is ame. Okay, let me check. This is her sound. Okay, we have heard of her sound, her voice, and this means is rain. The second sound. Okay, it means candy. Okay, we move to a native speaker in Japan. In here, his name is Satoshi. I met him in the application to get international friends, which is the application is named Tandem. So here we can find another friends in different country and different culture. Okay, let's listen to his voice. The first is ame. Okay, here. Okay, this is his sound, which is the first ame is means rain, and the second ame. Okay, we move to second ame. Here, the second ame. Okay, this is the second, which is means candy. Okay, we move to the second word, which is the hashi. First, okay, hashi. This is Angel's voice.
Hashi.
Okay, we
Hashi.
have heard. Okay, we move to the second hashi of Angel's voice. Here.
Hashi.
Okay. Okay, we move to Hashi Satoshi's voice. Here and
Hashi.
okay, this is his first hashi, which is means chopsticks. Okay, the second hashi.
Hashi.
Okay, we have heard his voice, which is the mean of bright. Okay, the third word is kumo. We move to Angel's voice. Kumo. Here her voice. Okay, we're gonna listen to her voice.
Kumo.
Okay, we have heard her voice. We listen to her second voice about Como. Wait.
Kumo.
Okay, this is her second voice of Como, pronouncing in Como, which is means the first is cloud and the second is spider. We move to native Japan voice. Como. Okay, this is his voice.
Kumo.
We move to second voice.
Kumo.
Okay, there's some different of the voice, and actually I have get the pitch and intensity for both of their voice. And the fourth is kawa. Okay, we move to Kawa voice. This is Angel's voice. The first Kawa. For it's clear. The second Kawa. Okay, it's same. Actually, the Kawa is same, but I have been told by native Japanese, which is there's some word that same pronouncing but different word, which is mean Kawa. We can look at here. There is both of these are different word, but the pronouns is same. But the meaning is skin and river. Okay, we move to Japanese the native one about Kawa. We're gonna listen to his first Kawa. Okay. The second is here. Gonna listen to Kawa of the second. Okay, we have learned. Okay, we have heard from Angel's voice, both Angel's voice and Satoshi's voice. Okay, the last is word of Hana, which is the first word means nose, and the second word is mean flower. Actually, both are same pronunciation, but the word is different. We're gonna listen to Angel's first. Angel's about Hannah. Okay, we block here. Okay, it's clear. Second voice. Hannah. Okay. We move to Satoshi's voice. Hannah. Okay, this is the first Hana of Satoshi's voice, and the second Hana voice of Satoshi. Okay, we have heard. So that's how to pronounce in different Japanese language and Japanese sounds, which is sometimes have different meaning but same pronunciation in different word. It depends on the context. So guys, that's how we use Pratt for know the pitch and intensity from Japanese language. Happy to help you, and I'm sorry if there's some mistakes. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.